Today we are going to show you how to make this beautiful ceiling fan animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video till to the end. Let's begin the topic. This is new presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. I have already taken a blank slide. Let me go to View tab, let me select Grid Line and Guide from here. Go to Insert, go to Shape, let me select a flowchart connector shape from here. Hold down the Shift key and drag it over here like this. Now this is perfect, and place it in center. By using arrow key, adjust from here and center like this. Now this is perfect and amazing. Now let me go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Go to Shape Fill, let me select these fill from here. Now this is perfect and amazing. Now let me make it duplicate from here and place it here like this, and hold on the Shift key and make it smaller and place it here like this. Go to Shape Fill, let me select this kind of fill color from here. Hold down the Control key, select this one and this one. Go to Shape Format and let me make it align center, and let me make it align middle. Now this is perfect and amazing. Now let me go to Insert tab again, go to Shape, let me select a trapezoid shape from here and drag it over here like this. Now this is perfect and amazing, and rotate from here like this and place it here. Amazing. And a little bit decrease the size of this one and place it here. By using arrow key, adjust from here like this. Now this is perfect. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Go to Fill Color, let me select again this color from here according to fan. Now let me make it duplicates from here and place it here. Adjust the size from here a little bit and place it here like this. Now this is perfect and amazing. Let me select this one, control the hold down key and select this one and make it group. Now this is perfect and amazing. Now let me go to Insert tab again, go to Shape, let me select a flowchart connector shape again. Hold down the Control key, let me zoom in and hold down the Shift key and drag it over here like this. Now this is perfect. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Go to Fill Color, let me select a yellow color from here and make it duplicate. Place it here like this. Again press Ctrl D, make it duplicate. Place it here like this. Now this is perfect and amazing. Now let me zoom out from here. Let me select all of these shape from here and make it group again. Now this is look kind of flat. Place it here again like this one. Let me make it duplicate again and place it here like this. Rotate from here, place it here like this. Now this is perfect and amazing. By using arrow key, adjust from here. Select this one, hold down the Control key and this one. Let me make it group and make it duplicate and place it here like this one, and make it duplicate again and select this one. Go to Shape Format, go to Rotate, go to More Rotation. Let me rotate from here 60 degree. Press Enter and select this one. Let me rotate from here 120 degree. Now this is perfect, and select this one, place it here like this. Now this is perfect. Select this one and place it here like this. Now this is perfect and amazing. Now select all of these from here. Let me go to Shape Format, let me go to Group and make it Ungroup. Now let me select this one, hold down the Control key, select this one and this one. Go to Shape Fill, let me make it No Fill. Now this is perfect. Select all of these, make it Control A and make it Control G. Now let me go to View tab again. Let me remove grid line from here and guide from here. and select the project and place it here like this. Now let me add animation from here. Go to animation, let me select a spine from here. Now this is perfect and amazing. And select the project a little bit, make it here. Now open the animation pen from here, click here, go to effect motion, go to timing, go to repeat and make it until end of slide. Now go to duration and make it 1 second. Now this is perfect and amazing. Now let me go to watch the slideshow. This is just amazing. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon button for more videos and presentation. Thank you.